What's good, everybody? It's me, RP3, back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a new product from ESR called the Halo Universal Ring. Now, this particular product does work with cases that do not have the MagSafe ring in the back of it, and you can also use this particular product with Android phones to make them more compatible with MagSafe magnetic batteries. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set this up on a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, let me show you what comes inside of the box. Inside of the box, you get two rings. You get a silver and a black one. Here you get a pamphlet to let you know what all the products this ring is compatible with. Also, you have the ability to place this on the back of a phone or a case. Now, you do get a MagLock Universal Alignment Guide. You got two inside. You get a couple of rings. And you get a tool that locks the alignment tool in place. The wet wipes, dry wipes. By all means, you need to clean your phone if you plan on using this. And there also are instructions on how to use the universal ring. Now, I myself have placed this on the back of a Spigen case. But the thing about placing this on the back of a Spigen case, the tool would not work. The alignment paper would not work due to the fact that the case do add bulk. This particular alignment works on the phone by itself, no cases at all. So what you would do, seeing that right now we're dealing with a S21 Ultra. I'm not going to place one on there. I'm just going to show you how this alignment works. But you will have to go through the cleaning process. So you will use this to wipe it and clean it down. Once you get everything clean and to get the surface ready to handle the adhesiveness from the ring, you have to get the alignment tool that's labeled Samsung. Now, there are three notches. A, B, and C is how they're labeled. The higher up each notch, meaning the smaller the phone. For example, the A notch, according to this alignment, is specifically for S10e. The B notch is for your regular size S21s, your S20s, and S10s. And the C notch is for the much larger Samsung phones like your S21 Plus, your S21 Ultras, 20 Ultras, 10 Plus, Notes, you name it. So I'm going to put this in C. Also, you do have a lightning port and a type C tip, not necessarily a port, but a tip to where you would need to plug this into your phone to hold everything in place, the actual alignment tool in place. I'm going to set this up under C because, like I said, we're dealing with a larger phone. All right, and then you will actually plug this into your phone, lay this down, and then you will use this as the guide to put the ring into place. And boom, everything should be easy peasy, locked into place and ready to go. But when you put it on the back of a case, I couldn't use the guide. Like I said, I pretty much had to gauge it and eye it down myself, and it tended to work out pretty well. I haven't had any issues since doing it this way. If you are going to put it on a case, please make sure the case is wirelessly compatible. If you have a wireless charger around the house, test out whatever case you plan on using this ring on to make sure that it works, and then clean the back of the case, water, soap, whatever you need to do. Clean that back of the case off as well as you can. Let it dry for a little while, and you should be ready to go to place the ring on the back of the case. Now I got an Anchor MagSafe product, and I'm going to go ahead and test it for you. As you can see, it's working. Everything is holding in place. I'm shaking it and it won't come loose. I'm gonna grab it by the charger, shaking it again. Still won't come loose. So the magnet has a real nice grip on it, just like you would with a regular iPhone. And it doesn't come off with no problem. This is a real cool product. Stays in place while charging your phone. Now, again, this is, I think it's $11.98. When I did get this particular ring, I will have the most current prices down below, because right now the price does fluctuate from time to time when you do, when these products do go on sale. But again, this is the ESR Halo Universal Ring. Great for cases that don't have the MagSafe magnetic ring in them, and again for Android phones where you can take advantage of some of those MagSafe products. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, please leave that down below. And until the next video, I'll catch everyone later.